market starts to drop. Now, this is where it's really important to understand that your goal is to buy this. I'm not getting sucked in thinking, oh, it's going down. I want to sell, I want to sell, I want to sell. Until this breaks 75, and this is where context matters. Till it breaks 75, I don't want to be selling this. What I do want to be doing is focusing on the way that we fall, where we get stuck on the fall around this 93 area. What happens on the footprint around there? You can see the lack of action above 95. So what I'm looking at then, this zone here from a profile effectively is giving you a move at around about here down to here. So what we're looking for is any move out of the current small range, your hourly chart, is a chance for a reversal, at least until we get below 74, 75. So that's the bit that you're interested in. What we're looking at is this move. Now, the chart's not going to help you here. The chart illustrates what's happened, wonderful. But nothing on this chart down here says buy. You get 2 red candles, 1 green candle. How do you buy that? Apart from just guessing a level or just placing a bid at 75, you don't know where it's going to stop. It may not reach 75, as it does not in this instance. So then you still don't get into the trade. So the key then is understanding the order flow, understanding where to get into for this trade and how you play this. For this, you need a price ladder, you need a footprint. So let me illustrate. So here we go. Market starts to drop. Now, this is where it's really important to understand that your goal is to buy this. I'm not getting sucked in thinking, oh, it's going down. I want to sell, I want to sell, I want to sell. Until this breaks 75, and this is where context matters. Till it breaks 75, I don't want to be selling this. What I do want to be doing is focusing on the way that we fall, where we get stuck on the fall around this 93 area. What happens on the footprint around there? You can see the lack of action above 95. So this is your kind of sticking point. You need to get over that to get this reversal. Still looking at 75 here as well. As you know, if we drop down there quick, I can have a go at buying 75. Interesting thing on the footprint now. You don't know this is going to happen. This is why I say you need to be able to read the footprint and the price ladder. Somebody is now starting to passively buy this down at 89. They try again at 85. This is giving you a sign that yes, there are buyers down here. They're only passive. To play that quick reverse, you need them to become more aggressive. So what I'm interested in now, I already want to buy this, but I'm looking at trade to get particularly back above where this volume is at 85 and 89, and then crucially to get through this 93 area. So it doesn't mean I'm trying to capture the low. What I'm trying to capture is the point where the sellers realize this is not going down anymore. You saw that pace off the low there. That's your first little bit of a clue, but you need it to take that extra step to say to you, yes, now we've got that chance to go. And that's all about getting through this 93 zone. So we've got there, it is sticking. It's a nervous moment, but crucially, once you get through 95, this is that meat of the move bit. I expect that when I get through 95, this is going to move very quickly straight back to that 00 and 0809 area. That's the trade. So a scalp is changing from what used to be nicking 1 tick, 2 ticks. We're now nicking 16, 17 ticks. Yes, it's not huge numbers of ticks, but if you can do this on 3 lots, 5 lots, 10 lots in oil, in S&P, in gold, in any number of markets on a day, all of a sudden you've racked up quite a bit. And it's just by finding these little specific trades. It's understanding the context. It's understanding also that oil's in an environment where, well, let's face it, it's pretty bullish. Do you really want to be short oil with the Middle Eastern tensions out there? Probably not. Certainly not on the day that this happened, at least.